The use of artificial intelligence, AI, to support businesses is becoming increasingly popular, and for a good reason. AI-driven customer service offers numerous advantages and significantly impacts the customer experience. As AI technology advances, businesses are more frequently looking for ways to optimize it for specific applications. But what are the differences between AI and other ChatGPT technology? How can AI be used to personalize content, create content, and augment functionality? AI-driven customer service has many advantages, such as being able to understand and respond to customer inquiries in a more natural way. Can quickly process large amounts of data and provide more accurate and detailed responses by understanding user preferences. For example, an AI-powered chatbot can use the user's previous search history to provide them with relevant and personalized content. This ensures an improved user experience and encourages engagement with the content.